they will ask you to give the pin. The pin number is 1827790. You go to kahoot.it, www.kahoot.it. Once you type this and the page comes, then they will ask you to pin one game pin. So the game pin is 1827790. Please join. So now I can see four students have joined. Sanvi has also joined. Sanvi, Shrestha, Asmi, Niti, Nabya, Shubhasri. So there are 35 participants right now. So at least let us see some 30 join. So we'll start the game. It is 10. If anybody is having some problem, they can unmute themselves and tell me. Why out of 37 only 9 have joined? Any problem? Please go to kahoot.it, kahoot.it. It is, I think it is visible in the screen. Then
Yes, sir.
Yeah, the pin number is 1827790.
Sir, I have a problem.
Please tell me what is the problem, Vitraj?
My phone is, my network is slow.
Unfortunately, I cannot help if your network is low, slow. Then you just keep on trying, and please make yourself mute.
Okay, sir, I will try.
Yeah. So who is ABC?
Sir, it's me.
Okay. Please introduce yourself. Please tell your name. ABC.
I am Pooja. I am an EVS teacher.
Oh. Yeah. I understand. I understand, Pooja. Okay.
Yeah. So.
Okay, nice. So numbers are increasing. Now we are at 21.
Now we have gone down one.
Okay.
20.
So I think 20 is the number. More than that, it's not happening.
Yeah, but we have 37 participants.
Yeah, maybe 17 are observers.
No, not so many. But we can give maybe 1 or 2 minutes more.
Yeah.
And then begin. Yes.
Yeah. Now it is 11:17. We'll start at 11:20. So friends, as we start, when we will start, there will be each question will have 4 choice. So 4 choice will have 4 different colors. So in your device, that 4 colors will be displayed. The question will be displayed on the screen, but on the device on which you have logged in Kahoot, there are only 4 colors will be coming. So you choose the color that is the correct answer, and it will be registered. Your answer will be registered, and you will get the result whether your answer is correct or wrong. So as we go ahead, after 1 or 2 questions, things will be very clear, and I hope, I'm sure you will all enjoy the process. You will enjoy the quiz. So there were total 36 questions. So if we will go through all the 36 questions, please answer as quickly as possible. The persons who reply quickly, their marks also will be proportionately more. So do not think much, or think and do not waste time in answering. So that is one thing. Then the first, second, and third will be declared automatically at the end of the round, and the first, second, and third will be giving them a certificate and the prize also. You can collect tomorrow from Chlorophyll School at Brahmapur. So I think 20 is the number. We are not going beyond 20. So let us start. Okay, all the best everybody. So we are going to start the quiz round. Let us go ahead. National Science Day. 3 seconds. So 1 second to go. So the start of the quiz. So this is the first question which is being displayed. Bharat Ratna was given first time in 1954. Who received Bharat Ratna award in 1954? You have got 3 choices. 4 choices: C.V. Raman, Rajagopalachari, and Radhakrishnan. And of course, there is a choice all of the above. So please, in your device, okay. So 7 has have given. 0 is the correct answers. The actual answer is all of the above. In that year, 1954, C.V. Raman, of course, he got it. That can be seen from number of answers. That number of participants have given 7. 7 participants have given the answer C.V. Raman. Then Rajagopalachari 1, Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan 5. Nobody could think that it can be all of the above. Huh? Okay. So all of the above is the correct answer. Now we go next question. Nobody has scored any mark. So next question is, 28th February is celebrated in India as National Science Day. Why 28th February is selected? This point we have already slightly discussed. This left side, this time is the timer. So there it is showing that how many seconds are left. Okay, so in spite of my small lecture, 7 participants have answered that it is birthday of C.V. Raman, and 7 persons have very correctly mentioned that C.V. Raman discovered Raman effect on that day, and 1 person has, of course, APJ Abdul Kalam is a big name to forget. So 1 person has mentioned that it is APJ Abdul Kalam. Okay. So here are the things: 7, 7 plus 1, 15 persons have answered out of 20. No issue. So we'll see where we stand now.
Good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Please
सर
concentrate.
सॉरी सर, मेरा आज लेट हो गया क्योंकि लिंक नहीं मिला था.
Okay, no issue. Please, if possible, join and go ahead. So Chaitanya is now leading with 905. Mansi, Niti, Nikhil, and Aisman. There, 5 persons are there. These are the top 5. So we'll go to the third question now. Which letter comes next in the series? On the top, there are 4 letters: M, V, E, and M. I do not know what is this series. So now we'll have to answer that what is the next, what will be the next letter. You have got some time, so just think about it, that what can be the next letter. Some logic should be there. M, V, E, M. I do not know what these letters represent.
Then next what's answer kolo ko letter asche
N.
naila
Harshita Patra, please mute yourself. Try to log in Kahoot. Okay, 7 seconds left, and we have got 17 answers. Okay. 12.
Sir, can I say why it is J?
Shashwat, okay, just say.
Sir, it is J because it is given Mars. No, Mercury, V for Venus, E. Then after J, no, after M because Mars. After Mars in serial there is a Jupiter. So in Jupiter letter, the J is first letters. That is why the J is correct answer.
That is very good, Shashwat. Very good logic there. Okay. So we have got 12 answers, 12 correct answers, and 6 wrong answers. So total 18 answers. Let us see. I think we will go to the next question. Now Chaitanya is leading. I think Chaitanya, Mansi, Niti, Ayushman, and Swayans. This Ayushman and Swayans, they are the new entrants to this list of top 5. Chaitanya is maintaining his lead. So let us go ahead. We'll go to the next question. Next question also is a series. I don't know what is this actually. OTTFF. So we'll have to tell what next. OTTFF. Last question, Chaitanya gave a very good logic that Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, and Jupiter. So some logic like that will also come here. I do not know exactly what is the logic. Just think about it and answer. OTTFF. So what is the next letter? So you have got 20 seconds left. If you are able to find the answer, then do not delay. Just key in your answer. You will get more marks. What is this OTTFF? OTTFF. Very familiar words for us. Anyway, it is over. So 8 is the correct. 8 numbers have answered correctly. It is yes. So can anybody who has given the correct answer unmute and tell?
But how?
That's what I'm telling. Can anybody say who has given the correct answer? Out of the 8 persons who have given correct answer, can anybody say what is the logic?
Sir, that is number names.
Oh, ask me. Very good thinking by there. Just explain how it is that.
O for 1, T for 2, T for 3, F for 5, F for F5, and S for 6.
Oh, that's nice. So this is very simple. 5 words were there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, and the next logical number is 6. So answer is yes. Okay, that is very good thinking by Asmi. Good. So friends, now let us see who is where.
There, move video on.
Chaitanya continues to lead. Navya is catching up. She has come 2 steps ahead. But Navya and Niti, they are very close. So anything can happen. Mansi is at 2,374. Okay. So we'll go ahead for the next question. This COVID-19 is a disease, and it has really made our life miserable. Because of COVID-19, instead of going to school, we are working on online. So which virus is actually the reason for this? You must have heard about many things in the market, in the media, in newspaper, in TV. So my question is, what is the correct answer? Which virus causes COVID-19 disease?
Coronavirus.
Coronavirus. Okay, coronavirus. So 17 people have written coronavirus, which is also true. Coronavirus is also true, but exactly COVID-19 disease is caused by SARS-CoV-2. CoV is again coronavirus, but there is a specific disease, and this specific disease is caused by a specific virus, and the name of the virus is SARS-CoV-2. SARS is severe acute respiratory syndrome. When this disease infects you, this virus infects you, you suffer a lot of respiratory problems. So that is why it is called severe acute respiratory syndrome. CoV is coronavirus, and previously there was one more virus, that is CoV-1. So this COVID-19 is a new disease. So the new name is SARS-CoV-2. SARS-CoV-2 is the correct answer. Unfortunately, in media, in newspaper, in day-to-day talking, we keep on talking about coronavirus. So coronavirus is not the correct answer for COVID-19. COVID-19, the correct answer is SARS-CoV-2. No issue. Okay. So the same lead continues. Chaitanya, Mansi, Nabya, Niti, and Nikhil. Let us go to the next question. For hand wash with soap to be effective, how much is the minimum time that we should wash our hand? 10 seconds. I think 10 seconds should be okay. No, it is 12 seconds, or it is 20 seconds, or it is 30 seconds. The more the merrier. How much is the minimum time that we should wash our hand carefully whenever we touch something that has come from outside, whenever we go outside, whenever we come from the bathroom? 18 students have answered correctly, and I'm really happy about that. But I will be really more happy if you really practice this whenever you go out, whenever you touch something from outside, whenever you shake hand with somebody, or whenever you are exposed to outside. While coming inside, you wash your hand minimum for 20 seconds. Many scientific study has shown that by washing for 5 seconds, the virus doesn't go. For washing for 15 seconds, the virus still lingers to your hands. Just wash it for minimum 20 seconds, and the virus will be damaged. How the virus gets damaged, that we'll discuss some other day. But
Sir?
this is very Nabya, want to tell something?
सर मैं लीव हो गई हूँ, एक बार और गेम पिन बता सकते हैं?
I think somebody else. I have not noted down the pin. Who can?
Okay, I can see. 182770.
Okay.
Pin is written at the bottom right.
Okay.
1827790.
Okay, Nabya. Please log in once again. Okay. So, so it is very important that many of you know correct answer for 20 seconds, but more important, you practice it. Wash your hand minimum for 20 seconds. Now we'll go to the next question, and we'll see actually who stands where. Oh, Nabya has gone down because her link got disconnected. Chaitanya continues to be in the lead. Mansi and Chaitanya, these two students are always fighting very close, neck to neck. Niti is coming up very nicely. Niti, Nikhil, and Sarthak. Okay. Now let us see. Let us go to the next question. Which of the following household items have acid in it? In our home, we have got many things. Some are basic, some are acid, some are, of course, ordinary salt. Ordinary salt, sodium chloride or table salt is the best example. So, which of the four
Lemon.
is acidic?
Lemon.
Aha. If you know the answer, please key in. Do not declare it for others. It is a wrong answer anyway. Aha. So,
Sir, I know why it is the lemon.
please tell.
Sir, because when we eat lemon,
Sir,
there is some
it
acid
has citric acid.
that helps in digestion. So the lemon is the acid. When we eat, it is good for our health.
Okay, first,
Sir, it's citric acid. It has citric acid.
Citric acid.
second part is true, but the first part that it helps in digestion, I cannot say. But anyway, this has lemon has got some acid, which is somebody told very nicely that citric acid. Can somebody say any other household item which has got acid?
Sir, soap.
Soap is
No,
not acid.
no. It is made of chemicals, not
Yeah,
acid.
soap is some other chemical. It is called. It is in fact it is a base. Okay, I think.
Sir, orange. Sir, orange.
Yeah, orange is also acidic. It has got citric acid.
Sir, it helps in some vitamin D or C. Something.
See.
C, yeah, it's C.
Sir,
Vitamin-
if we will eat orange and lemon, we will go outside. The COVID will not come to us.
No, it will come, but the chances will be decreased.
Yes, chances will.
No, there is nothing like that. You one good thing is please keep eating as much as fresh food you can keep, whether it is orange, mango, lemon, anything. Okay, do not link it to any disease or anything. You just enjoy eating the fresh food. It is good for your health. Okay, do not think of any disease. Now let us go ahead for the next question. Okay. Ha. So Mansi has taken over. Mansi is 4,200. Chaitanya is 4,100. Nikhil, Niti, and Ayushman. Okay. Niti is also catching up. Only the difference of 500 points. Let us see. So we'll go to the next question. Which of the following animals is not an insect? इसमें से कौन इंसेक्ट नहीं है? स्पाइडर, हाउस फ्लाई, मस्कीटो, बटरफ्लाई.
Butterfly.
Okay, Harshita Patra, please keep yourself in mute mode. Your answering the question doesn't help others because you are misleading others. Please be mute. Harshita Patra, please be mute. Ha. So, see, Harshita, butterfly, you are declaring for everybody and that is the wrong answer. So, my request is, even if you know the answer, whether it is wrong or right, please do not broadcast the answer. Please maintain that discipline. I will go ahead. So, 8 persons have given the answer correct and 8 students have given.
Sir, I have doubt.
Who? Nicholas? Please tell your
Yes.
doubt. Please tell your doubt.
Sir, spider is a venomous animal. So,
Yeah.
means which category it will go?
That's a nice question.
Sir, I think that the spider is not an insect,
Insect.
but it is animal because it can't fly. It can only put nets.
But there are many insects that can't fly. Like
Okay.
butterfly, when it's a new stage, that
Yes,
can't
that
fly.
is no butterfly. I think no, it can't fly in any stage. Spider. So I think that's why it is.
Okay. There's a nice discussion between Nicholas and Shashwat. Let me.
Sir, are worms insects? Are worms insects?
I'll answer. Just you listen to me. I will answer. Now there are two things. What is spider? Number one, and what is insect? Okay.
Spider
So-
looks like a grabbing tool, something.
Okay. Please listen to me before jumping into some conclusion and some comments. Now, insect we define something which has got 6 legs. Okay, number one, it should have 6 legs. Number two, it should have 3 body parts. One is the head, one is the thorax, and one is the abdomen. So if it has got 3 body parts, and if it has got 6 legs, then it is insect. So housefly, mosquito, butterfly all have 6 legs and all have 3 body parts. Now come to spider. Spider has got 8 legs. It doesn't have 6 legs. It has got 8 legs. Then it has got only 2 body parts. So it is not insect. It is a new class called arachnids. Arachnids. Okay, you can find out about spider and butterflies later. But this is the thing, what is an insect and what is spider. I think I have answered this question. So now let us see how much is the score. Mansi is at 5,000. Chaitanya has come down, maybe some wrong answer there. Nicholas has come up, nice. So Asmi, Saswat, Chaitanya and Mansi. Okay. So now let us go to the next question. As you know, during a day, the duration of day and night changes. It keeps on changing. Question is, which is the longest day in New Delhi or in India? As the earth rotates around the sun, during a year, there are 4 important dates. In one date, answer is over. So 6 persons have given correct answer and 5 persons have given wrong answer. So 21st June is the correct answer. 21st June is during summer. So it is the day is the longest. That is understandable. A long day means more energy from sun, and so it is very hot. Okay, so this is the correct answer. Some people have given 31st of March, 21st March, 23rd September. Okay, no issue. So Asmi is steadily rising. Mansi is at still 6,000, but only 9 questions we have covered out of 36. So friends, do not get disheartened. There is still chance, and you can come to the top. Concentrate and keep on answering. Okay, now I go to the next question. On 26th February at the beach near Balrampur, local fishermen, they noticed a large blue whale shark on 26th of February, very recently, only 2 days back. A big blue whale shark was noticed. All the fishermen, they tried to put the shark inside the seawater. It was not going. Then they called the forest officials. With the help of forest officials and the local fishermen, they put it inside water and it has gone. So what is that? Only 2 persons have written given the correct answer. It's a type of fish. And 9 persons, of course, you are not to be blamed because the name itself is misnomer. It is called blue whale shark. It is neither a whale nor a shark, to be exact technically. So it is a fish actually. So, but it is the largest fish that in the world. Blue whale, for your information, is the largest mammal, but it is not blue whale. It is a blue whale shark, which is a kind of fish. Okay, my request is all of you friends. Just 2 days back, it was there in the newspaper. It was there in the TV. All local channels, all Odia news channels, they were discussing about this. So you should have some interest to find out exactly what is that blue whale, whether one whale has come or it is a shark. If it is a shark, then how the fishermen were handling it, because shark is a dangerous animal. So such churning, such thinking should always be in our mind whenever we see some news, and we should relate it and we should know more about that. This is what I want to encourage you all. Please be more inquisitive, more curious. That is how we explore nature, that is how we explore science. This is the message of Science, National Science Day. As I told you, C.V. Raman, he observed the difference in color between Mediterranean Sea and Arabian Sea. So all these things, some questions should come always to our mind. What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay. Now let us see who stands where. Mansi continues to lead. Asmi, Nikhil, Chaitanya and Shrestha. Okay. Now this is the next question. Which of the following planets are visible to the naked eye, unaided eye, without any telescope, without any radio telescope, refractive type of telescope, mirror type of telescope? Which of the planets that we can see, Mercury, Venus or Saturn, or all of the above? Oh. So 8 people have told Venus is not visible, which is unfortunate, because Venus most of the time we see in the evening. When it is not seen in the evening, it is seen in the early morning. So Venus is the most popular and the most old planet that is visible to humankind. Okay, so my dear friends, take some time, go out of your home, go to the rooftop, start looking at the sky. You will be really astonished to see what is so many things are happening. Yeah.
Sir, it's not possible to see now.
Why?
It was possible to see then, not
Okay.
now.
Okay, you go on observing throughout the year. There will be time when you will be able to see Venus. Either
Yeah,
during,
because of pollution, we can't see many stars and planets
no,
and
you
many
just,
things.
okay, then take some time, like today, go to some remote place, go to some village, go to some seashore, and find some unpolluted area and look at the sky. My appeal to you all is, please find a place where the stars can be visible, night sky, clear night sky is visible, and start observing. It will be a wonderful experience. It will be a lifetime experience, and you can keep observing throughout your life. Okay. So now Nicholas has come up with 5,000 points. Mansi continues to lead. We have still 1/3. We have almost covered 1/3 of the quiz. So let us go ahead.
Harshita has raised her hand. Why is it?
Harshita raised her hand because she knows the answer. Actually, she has not joined the Kahoot. So she is only raising the hands for communicating that she knows the answer. Okay, the question is, which of the following gases protects us from ultraviolet radiation from sun? We know there are lot many ultraviolet radiations from
Sir,
sun.
everyone knows that.
Yeah, that's fine. So I am expecting the answer. I will get 20 out of 20 correct answers. Yeah, you see. Who was telling everyone knows? Only 7% knows the correct answer.
Nikhilesh.
Yeah, Nicholas, you see, only 7% know the correct answer.
But many people know.
Sir, ozone, which gas is that?
Ozone is a special
That
gas.
is a layer of
Which
the
is-
earth which is breaking because of pollution.
Yeah, actually,
Oh.
three atoms of oxygen gas. 3 atoms of oxygen gas combines together and makes ozone molecules. So ozone, very thin layer of ozone molecules is there in our atmosphere, on the top of the atmosphere, at a very high level, very high altitude, and that's very thin layer. It protects us from the ultraviolet radiation from sun. You must have heard something about ozone hole because of this some activities we do in the earth. these emissions, they go and make some damage to the ozone hole, and we are subjected to ultraviolet radiations that result in some skin diseases, skin cancers, like that. So we have to be more responsible in seeing that none of our activities results or leads to decrease or depletion of ozone layer. So as responsible citizens, we must be careful about that. Please study more about that. That what is ozone layer and how we are, what are our actions that is affecting the ozone layer. Okay, that's nice. We'll go next. Okay, so Mansi has reached 7,500 points. Nikhilus is reaching just 6,000 points. Niti is coming up well. Now she is in 5,000. We have got exactly, we have reached 1/3. That is 12 questions out of 36. So in half an hour time, that's nice. We'll go ahead at this speed. Okay, so I'll go to the next question. Which of the following, now this vaccination is a big point now. So many vaccinations are available, Covaxin, Covishield. Friends,
Coronavirus.
yeah, coronavirus. But unfortunately, this choice is not there. Which of the following diseases have been totally eradicated by vaccination? This is the question. Okay, polio is the predominant answer. Polio, yes, we are very close to eradicating it, but still due to some carelessness by some parents who are not vaccinating their children, polio is still existing, not only in India, in some countries, some poor countries. So polio still, it is not totally eradicated. But smallpox has been totally eradicated. So smallpox is the correct answer. Polio, yes, very close, but unfortunately the wrong answer. But within maybe a few years, this correct answer will be smallpox and polio. That will be a nice thing to hear. I'll be very happy to conduct that. I'll be very happy to conduct that quiz and find this answer, that by vaccination, polio and smallpox has been eradicated. Okay.
Sir,
Yeah. Nicholas.
what is that B1?
Tetanus.
Tetanus. What is that?
Yeah, it's nice that you are asking this question.
Why tetanus injection are given?
Yeah, tetanus is a very
Sir,
dangerous.
tetanus when we hurt from any steel or any junk, any steel, so it is given by tetanus because after we hurt them in 24 hours it is given. Otherwise, we will fall in disease.
Yeah, that's a very dangerous disease. And Nicholas, thank you very much for asking this question.
Sir, what happens in that?
That's what I'm telling. Your body shrinks and you become like a bow. You are nervous. It affects your body functioning and nervous system. And there is very rare chance, I think almost nil. Once a person has been affected by tetanus, there is no chance of survival. Okay, so it is such a dangerous disease. That is, it is very important. Whenever you hurt yourself by some, as Yuvraj was telling, by some iron object or by some rusted object, you must immediately go and take anti-tetanus injection. That is very, very important. Once tetanus affects a person, very rare chance of survival. So please do not ignore it. I'm happy that Nicholas asked this question. Okay.
Okay.
Now,
Sir, it can be given only in 24 hours. If
Yes.
23 also it no, 25 also it happens. So it will not work in our body.
no, it will work in your body, but it is to be careful. They have given this date of 23rd, 24 hours. Even if it is 25 hours and you have forgotten, you have remembered after 24 hours, go and get yourself injected with anti-tetanus. Okay, consult a doctor. Okay, do not ignore. Two things, friends, we should never ignore. That is, one is bite by a dog, which may lead to rabies, and tetanus. These two diseases, once affect us,
Sir, means
Yeah.
if we bleed a lot with it, we have to take a tetanus injection.
Please
Sir, I am late. What is the code of Kahoot?
it is written on the screen. I do not remember. So
1827790.
1827790. Okay.
Ma'am, sir, tell again. I can't.
1827790. Request everybody else to
Okay,
please
sir.
mute.
Thank you.
All of you, please mute yourself. Now we'll go to the next question.
Sir,
Okay.
can't hear. Can you tell one more?
Yeah. 1827790. I
Thank you,
repeat.
sir.
Okay.
Lots
now-
of thanks.
Now Mansi and Niti, they are number 1 and number 2. Niti and Nikhil very close to each other. Shrestha and Asmi, they are also very close to each other. So very good. Very good contest taking place there. Somewhere Sarthak has gone and Chaitanya has gone. I am quite hopeful they will come up. Let us see. I'll request all the 20 participants that it is only at the 1/3 questions you have answered, and all of you, I repeat, all of you stand a chance for becoming number 1 and number 2. So please apply yourself and answer as quickly as possible. All of you stand a chance to become number 1, number 2, number 3. Next question, please. Which of the following takes least time for biodegradation? Whatever biodegradable items are there, whether it is paper, vegetable peel, wood, or cotton clothes, they take some time. Which takes minimum time? Oh, that is fantastic. So this is a straight question from your textbook. Nice that many people have correctly answered. So 13 people have correctly answered that it's vegetable peel. Okay. And there are 4 wrong answers, cotton cloth. Okay. So Shrestha and Niti are close to each other. Niti, Nikhil and Asmi. Okay. That's nice. Okay. So let us go ahead and see. The next question. Which of the following animals are not found in North Pole? It will be nice to visit the North Pole and see some of the animals, or for that matter to go to South Pole and see some of the animals. Till that time, let us discuss something about that. Polar bear, penguin, seal, or actually all the 3 animals are found in the North Pole. Maybe, I don't know. So time is also up. Let us see. 13 wrong answer and only 2 correct answers. So penguin, my dear friends, penguin is an animal which is only available in the South Pole. So North Pole you will find polar bear, North Pole you will find seal, North Pole you will find walrus, you will find polar tern, you will find many animals, grizzly, but South Pole, penguins are not there in the North Pole. Okay.
Sir?
Yeah. Tell me, Nicholas.
Where we can find white tigers?
White tigers. White tigers you will find in Reva. You will find in
white tiger in London Kannada Zoo.
You know, in Nandankanan Zoo also you will find what the origin of this white tigers are from Reva jungle in Madhya Pradesh. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sir, I have seen white tiger.
Yeah. Okay, now let us see. After these 13 wrong answers, who stands where? Okay, Mansi continues to lead. Srishta has come up well with 6,000 points. Srishta and Niti continues to fight close to each other. Some correct answers, and they will also be coming close to 10,000, or maybe will be going beyond 10,000. Let us see the next question. Which part of the tree is potato? Whether it is a root, whether it is a seed, whether it is a fruit, or whether it is a stem. What is potato? It's also, I think, a state question from your textbooks. Potato, tomato. Tomato, I'm telling just to confuse. So there are 11 wrong answers. That is unfortunate. Next question.
Rejoin, their score will
I
become
lost
zero.
all my points.
You should not.
No, you will not lose points. Now let us see the next point. The next question. Yeah. In space exploration, what is perseverance? It is attempting again and again to launch satellites, or the name of the rover sent by NASA.
It is sent by JPL, Jet Propulsion Laboratory.
Do not declare the answer, please. If you know, just log into your Kahoot and answer there. Answer in your device. Chinese spacecraft sent to moon, or name of the Indian space vehicle sent to Mars.
Sir, I lost my points.
No, you will not lose your points.
Sir, they are showing 0 points.
Okay, let us see. You
No, that is because you would have logged out and come back again. See, those who just stayed there, no, they got reconnected. But anyway, you play for playing now. Your points you would have lost.
Okay, 11 students have given the correct answer. That is nice. So this is the Perseverance is the one rover that was sent by NASA to Mars. Friends, while discussing this space exploration, and if you are keeping a track of what is happening all around the world, you must have heard today 10:30 from Sriharikota we have launched our own PSLV. We have one Brazilian satellite and some other Indian satellites. They have been fired from Sriharikota, and very successfully this is launched. So this is one more success story, the first success story by ISRO in 2021. Hopefully there will be many to come. Okay, so just keep yourself updated on this news, what is happening in the space exploration all around, because this is the next thing. When you become young scientists, most of you will be spending time on that. For example, I think this Perseverance, many Indian scientists have played a major role. One name of them is Dr. Swati Mohan, I think. She is from Bangalore, and when she announced to the whole world the success of Perseverance, it was such a nice moment for whole world, for America, for the women, and also for Indians. She was very prominent with a red bindi on her forehead, and she very specifically told, this bindi is what I have grown up with, and this is me and my Indian root. So Dr. Swati Mohan, salutes to her and Perseverance. Thank you, friends. We'll go to the next question. Let us see. Nicholas, don't lose heart. Let us see how much is the score. Okay, Nicholas, your score is still there.
Yes, but I am not there.
Huh?
The score is still there, but I am not there. I am in the I have another name.
Okay. So Mansi continues to lead. Srishta has come up with 7,300. Niti So, okay, now I will go to the next question. Which is the state bird of Odisha? Oh, and also the state bird of Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka. So, India has a state bird that is called peacock. India has a national bird that is peacock. Most of the states, they have one state bird. I am now speaking from Maharashtra. The state bird of Maharashtra is blue pigeon. What about the state bird of Odisha, Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka?
Sir, there are so many questions. When will it end?
We have just reached 50% of the questions. So there are another 18 questions. So 9 persons have given the correct answer. It is very good. It is roller, Indian roller or blue jay.
Sir,
So
sir,
this
I
is
have
the correct-
clicked on that only, but my answer is wrong.
Very unfortunate. Okay. So this is the score now. Mansi, Shrestha, Niti, Chandrani is also coming. Nice. So Nikhil is there. Now, okay. Now next, let us go to the next question. Which bird is normally considered as a symbol of peace? Birds are really very innocent animals. Dove, peacock, pigeon, swan, beautiful pictures. So which one is the symbol of peace?
I have given the correct answer.
You have given the
Yes.
correct answer. Okay. So we have got how many correct answers?
7.
7 correct answers. Yeah. So dove is the correct answer, and the 6 persons who have opted for swan are not bad. Okay, but unfortunately that is the wrong answer. So Niti is coming up well, 7,500. Shrestha 7,300. Annika and Chandrani, they are coming up.
Sir, I am
Okay,
also
Annika-
coming.
Okay, come up. I encourage all of you to please come up. Okay, now I'll go to the next question. So this is question number 20 out of 36. This is a very easy question, I hope. Which of the following birds are flightless?
No, I know the answer, but I pressed the wrong one.
No issue. Sometimes that happens.
Sir,
So this
I
is
also
the-
know the answer, but wrong one. I.
Sir, this is
Okay,
very
okay.
easy.
This is very,
Yes, that's
this
very
is,
easy. Very easy.
but very tricky. So 12 persons have given correct answer. That is nice. Emu, ostrich, and penguin. These are all
Sir, I
flightless birds.
pressed demo. I pressed demo.
I think
So-
I
Sir,
will
I know. Sir, I think that is the penguin. Sir,
Yeah.
I did not see that ostrich and one red color bird.
Okay, all of the above is very bold, so it should have caught your notice. Okay, Chaitanya has come up now after a break. Nice. So Niti is also Niti, Shrestha, Chaitanya, and Annika. This second, third, fourth, fifth. Let us see who ends where. Braille. This is your standard 3 textbook. Braille script uses some raised dots for writing. This is for the convenience of blind people to read.
Sir,
So there are
what?
some dots.
Sir, I'm not understanding the question.
Okay, question is how many dots are there maximum? How many maximum dots are there in one Braille letter?
Okay, I know. This is, I think, Braille language for blinds.
Yeah, Braille. Yeah, Braille. %12 have given correct answer. That is very encouraging. I request all of you to sometimes go and really feel it, how it is, how the blind people read. You should have that feeling also.
Sir, I have done that.
Okay, nice. So we'll go to the next question quickly. So friends, we have got some wrong notion about snakes. Many of the snakes are actually non-poisonous. Only few are poisonous. So here I am giving a list. In that 4 are there. Only 1 is non-poisonous. 3 are
This is
poisonous.
very easy.
Which of the following snakes are
Sir,
non-poisonous?
I know this. Sir, I know this.
Okay. Answer correctly. Answer correctly.
Sir, we discussed in our class.
Okay, that's nice. So 10 correct answers there.
So python is a venomous animal.
Yeah, python is not venomous.
Yeah, that only they are not chewing it. They're only swallow the food.
Yeah, they swallow their prey.
Just
They swallow their prey.
the bite.
Okay, so 2, 3, 4, 5. This
So
juggling
there
is
is a
taking
fact about the snake. Cobra can eat
Okay.
python.
I don't
So
know.
let's
Okay.
go to the next question.
Yeah, I have already done that. Which of the following vegetables are not cooked in the kitchen of Jagannath temple? What is this question? What has science to do with Jagannath temple? Okay, the choices are cauliflower, tomato, potato, and none of these are.
And I never gone, so I don't
Sir,
know.
for me it is very easy because I ate that cooked rice and all that.
Okay. Now answer correctly. So
Okay, sir.
you can say this is called
I've
abhada.
never
This is
gone there, so I
called
don't know.
This is called Mahaprasad, and this, yeah. After it is cooked, and it is cooked in a very special way also.
Sir,
And after it is cooked,
one fact there is in Jagannath temple that I
Yeah.
listened that in Jagannath temple how took out from that container, it does not finish.
yeah, maybe. So this is where we stand now. We'll go to the next question.
Sir, what is the correct answer?
The correct answer was all of the above.
why?
Cauliflower.
No, that is not the answer. The answer is none of the foods are cooked in Jagannath.
Yeah. None of the above, because cauliflower,
why?
potato, and tomato, these 3 things, they have come from outside. They are not Indian. They were not Indian vegetables when this temple and the rituals were established. So that time potato was not there. That time tomato was not there. That time cauliflower was not there. These are all. These vegetables came to India something about 1500.
That's why I
1600
don't
years
like
ago.
3 of them.
Yeah, that's nice. Okay, so now we go to the next question. Sorry, I unfortunately skipped the answer part. Okay, now this is the next question. A person who travels in a spacecraft for space exploration is known as.
Sorry, sir.
Very easy.
Okay, hopefully everybody will answer correctly.
But I think something.
Sir, Hashita Patra, why telling that answers? Please tell them to don't chat it.
Okay, you please keep yourself mute and concentrate on your answer. I am managing that. Okay, 14 persons have given correct answer, and 33 have given wrong answer, and somebody has also given the answer as the astrologer. Okay, so we go to the next question. Next, let us see who stands where now. Mansi is at 15,000. Sesta and Niti is at 10,000.
So no one
Anika,
can
Chetan-
reach.
No issue.
top
No. There are still 10 questions, so anything can happen. So do not lose heart. Anything can happen. It's only question of 5,000.
So it's more than 10.
I am
Okay.
in 52nd place.
Okay. What is the chronological sequence? how the sunrise in the following countries will take place: Japan, Brazil, France, and India. You start from first to last. When in which of these countries the sunrise will take place first in a day, and which country will the sunrise will take place last? It is Japan, India, France, Brazil, or it is Japan, Brazil, India, France, or it is India, Japan, France, Brazil, any of the combinations. The map is there. You can just see. Nicholas, please keep yourself mute.
Yes, yes.
Huh. 8 people have given correct answer. Some people have confused between Brazil and France, 4 persons. Okay. So just I think this question sometimes you just look at the atlas. I have a request. Please make atlas your daily companion. Keep on opening the atlas and go on reading. You will always find something new. Always find something interesting to learn. Okay. Now, so Annika and Niti. Annika has just taken over Niti. Let us see. Next question. How do honeybees communicate? Honeybees are very interesting insects. So many things are to be learned from them: discipline, hard work, and concentration on job. So how do they communicate? They have got a, I don't know, maybe they will be communicating by a special sound, by rubbing their legs. Haha. So 7 is the correct. 7 persons have given wrong answers. That is making a special sound, and 4 persons have given the correct answer by dancing. Actually, they dance very nicely. They dance in circle. That circle also sometimes clockwise, sometimes anti-clockwise, sometimes in making 8s, sometimes making infinity symbols to communicate to their friends.
Sir, let's go to the next question.
It is already there in your screen. So as I was telling friends, today we have launched one PSLV, Polar Satellite Launch Vehicle, and C-51. So today at 10:30 we have launched a new set of satellites. India is in a very advanced stage. Few of the countries who are doing excellent work in space exploration. Who is the scientist who laid the foundation stone for all these things? 11 persons have given APJ Abdul Kalam is the answer. APJ Abdul Kalam was a person who did a lot of research on missiles, but this is not space exploration. For space exploration, it was Vikram Sarabhai. That is why when we have launched our Mars, landing on Mars, the rover was named Vikram and Pragya. You please read about more and more about space exploration and the role that India is playing. We'll go to the next question. This is a small experiment that you can do at home, but this question is for to think and answer. Actually, it should be do and answer, but a few seconds of 91.5 minutes.
Sir, what is the meaning of extinguish?
Extinguish means it will bujh jana, means it will go out.
Okay, understood.
Ha. So if you are keeping 3 candles and together of different height and putting a glass above all the 3, which one will extinguish first? Which one will go out first? Or all of 3 will go out first simultaneously at the same time? the tallest one, the shortest one, or the middle one. So this experiment you can do yourself and see what is happening.
When will it end?
Sir, I know why they will extinguish because no oxygens are there.
Yeah. But the question is not that. Question is which one?
If
which one
everyone
all
gave
of
the
them?
answer, you can skip now.
Yeah, we have got
Yes,
17
I
answers.
know the answer, but I will not tell.
Six persons have given correct
Sir?
answers and eight persons have given wrong answers. Okay. This I request all participants, please do this experiment and we'll discuss why after you do the experiment. Okay. Now
Sir, I will not play with that fire.
Okay. So this is the score right now. 18, then 12, 12, then 10, 10. Let us see. Still there are some 7 questions. Blow into back of your palm. ऐसा हाथ को लेके ऐसा blow करना with your mouth almost closed and your mouth fully open. You keep your mouth fully open and blow to the back of your palm, and with your mouth almost closed you blow and you see what is happening.
What
Whether
is its meaning?
Meaning is you हाथ back of the palm you blow. Arnika, please look at me. If you blow with your mouth open or mouth closed, you will feel the difference. What difference? Sometimes you will feel cool, sometimes you will feel hot. When you are feeling cool and when you are feeling hot, this is the question.
Oh.
You do it. Yeah, this is actually you can do it and answer. So I am happy that 8 persons have given 8 students have given right answer. With a mouth fully open, it is warm, and with mouth almost closed, it is cold. During winter, to keep yourself warm, you blow some air to your hand by opening your mouth, and if some hot drink, hot soup or hot tea is served, then you just blow by closing your mouth. So you should think why that happens. So Alisha Rani is a new entrant. Welcome, Alisha Rani. There are another 6 questions to go. Hopefully you will climb up. Next question is on your screen. Which of the following instruments is not made from dried bottle ground? This is a straight question from your textbooks. Many musical instruments are made from this dried bottle grounds. So there are 4 instruments are listed: bin, khanjiri, tumba, and midangam. So only one instrument out of the 4 is not made from dried bottle ground. Dried bottle ground is lauki. Haha. So 4 correct answers there. Midangam, if you have seen, midangam is a big instrument, a very long instrument. So it cannot be made from dried bottle ground. Maybe you have not seen. Friends, I have given this question because of 2 reasons. Number 1, it is from your textbook. Number 2, today we are commemorating this discovery of Raman effect, and Raman was very keenly interested in these musical instruments. He has written many scientific papers of very top caliber on midangam, tabla, and the musical tone. So please, if possible, read more about that. So with that, we have completed 30 questions. So another 6 questions left. Mansi is still leading. Srishta and Alisha Rani is climbing up steadily. So now she has 12,000 points. Let us see if she can come to number 2 or maybe number 1. So 31st question. if you write all numbers from 0 to 100, 0 to 100, if you write all numbers, then how many times 1 will come? Very easy. In front of you, all the letters 0 1 to 100 is written. So just quickly you can count. Or X is so, write 0 to 100, and in that how many ones are used? Just count from the table if possible, or if you know, answer it. Already 11 answers have come, 12, okay. We have got 20 seconds to go. Ha. So 7 persons have written 20. So
Sir, the question answer is 21.
answer is 21, yeah. So can anybody say who has written 20, how it was 20? Anybody who has given a wrong answer? Which one they missed? Annika, what was your answer?
My answer is 21. सर मुझे पता नहीं था, मैं कुछ भी दबा देती हूँ, कुछ सही होता है कुछ गलत होता है.
ऐसा है क्या?
हाँ.
that is very honest admission. Okay, I like the honest. But you should
Thank you,
count.
sir.
You are in standard 3. You should be able to count from 0 to 100, isn't it?
Yes.
Then by writing 0 to 100, how many ones are coming? You should be able to answer correctly. Okay. Now
Okay.
Annika has written the correct answer and she has come up. See. Okay. Now the next question.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
How can we get vitamin D? Actually, the correct question is how vitamin D.
Sir,
made-
yellow color.
made in
Sir,
our body.
yellow color I can understand by exposing our body to sunlight. Means.
No. Who is that Shashwat? Why you are declaring? You are giving wrong answer and you are giving wrong message to the audience. You please keep yourself mute and only doing discussion you answer. Okay. See.
Sir,
Many people have got
exposing
it.
I can't understand. That is why I am asking that.
Oh. Okay. So Shrestha has come up with 15,000 point. Number 2. Alisha Rani is steadily rising. Now she is in number 3 post. Annika and Shreyans, they are in number 4 and 5. Okay. In which of the following places you will find nesting of sea turtle olive ridleys? So olive ridley is a very popular, very famous and endangered sea turtle which come from nesting, and many people, because of fishing with a net and all, many olive ridley tortoise, they die. So question is, where do they come for nesting? Number 8 is the correct. 8 students have given correct answer. So that is Rishikulya River, Brahmapur, Gahirmatha, Bhitarkanika, Devi River, mouth. Friends, one choice I have not given here. That is this is all these 3 choices are in the eastern coast of India. There are some places in western coast also where these sea turtles come for nesting. So that you find out from your textbooks or from whatever source you have to find out. Read about it. And all friends from Brahmapur, I request find out the time when the sea turtle come to the mouth of river Rishikulya. Go, just see them. Do not disturb them. See them and come. This is a wonderful sight. Okay. Now we see what is the score. Shrestha, Annika, then Shreyans and Alisha. Okay.
Sir,
Annika
let's
and
go to
Shreyans.
the next question.
Yeah, we are going to the next question. Of the following food items, which take least time to get digested in human stomach? Raw egg कोई खाता है क्या? Raw egg, boiled milk, full boiled egg, then unboiled milk. Which one get digested quickly? Which takes least time? सबसे कम समय कौन सा चीज लेता है पचने के लिए? Oh, raw egg is the correct answer, and only one student has given the right answer. Who is that? Who has given this answer, please?
Sir, I have given raw egg.
Who?
Sir
Saswat?
Chaitanya.
Sir Chaitanya.
Accept.
Sir, because
Okay,
you are
Chaitanya.
telling nobody is eating raw egg, so I think that.
Oh, but it is there in your textbook, na?
Yeah,
Yes,
that is
sir.
also a reason.
Yeah, in your textbook, it is very clearly written in the Martins, in the chapter Food and Digestion. The story of Martin, if you have read, I tell all of you, whoever is reading in Standard 4, Standard 5, please read the Standard 3 textbook once again. It's a very interesting story of Martin. Okay, what happened to Martin, and how you came to know about food digestion and how it takes place.
Sir,
Okay.
that doctor experiment that inside the stomach, how many time it takes, and outside the stomach, how many time takes to digest.
Pardon me, please repeat your question.
Sir, in this chapter, it is given that doctor done this experiment that inside the stomach, how much time it takes to digest, and outside the stomach, how many times it takes to digest.
So can you say that all these 4 items are there in that chapter? Can you tell the answer?
Sir, I can't say that.
It takes 3 hours and 30 minutes. Okay. Boiled milk takes 2 hours, and unboiled milk takes 2 hours and some 15 minutes. So this is what. Please go through the book.
Sir, and
So-
raw takes how much time?
Huh?
Raw egg
Huh?
takes how much
No.
time digest?
1 hour and 30 minutes. 1 hour and 30 minutes. Okay.
To join soon. सुन मतलब कुछ थे
Soon matlab jaldi. Okay, this is the next question. I look like a nail, but a bird am I. When toothache makes you shout, I soothe the pain in your mouth. Tell me, who am I?
Clove.
इसका क्विज हो रहा है
So what is this?
Sir, that is cloves.
That is cloves. Very good. Many people have answered correctly. I
Sir?
look like a nail. I look like a nail. This is sufficient to yeah.
Sir, my class Kahoot dot it not joined.
So I cannot do now. Now we are almost going to end the session. So better luck next time for you.
Sir,
Let us-
next time class and day.
Okay, so I'll tell you. So now we are in the 35th question. 35th question we have completed. Just last question I am going to tell you.
Yeah.
So this is the position. So dear friends, we have come to almost the end of the quiz show. Let us go for the last question, and then we'll have some discussion. Which of the following is not a plant root? Carrot, ginger, onion, radish. Which is not a plant root? This is the last question, my dear friends. 36 out of 36 questions. So I can see many smiles. carrot. Yeah.
Carrot, sir.
Yeah, maybe carrot, maybe onion, maybe ginger, maybe radish. Ha.
Ginger.
So ginger is
Carrot,
not a
sir.
root. Ginger is not a root. Carrot is a root. Onion is a root. And of course,
Sir,
radish
ginger,
is also root. Radish, the meaning of radish is root. Ginger is not a root. It is like potato. It is a modified stem. Okay. So friends, with this we have come to the end.
अब बताना
Oh.
मत
Sir, I have a question.
Yeah, just a minute. So let us celebrate number.
So Shrestha is number 2.
Shrestha is number 2 with 17,585. She has answered 19 out of 36 questions right. Then Shreyans Sahu have answered 17 out of 36 questions and 14,000 marks. Number 1 is Mansi.
Sir,
Yes,
who is
scored-
Mansi?
Who is Mansi? Okay, who is Mansi? Can you please speak a few words, Mansi? Please introduce yourself. She has answered 24 out of 36. Mansi, can you please unmute yourself, make your video on and speak few seconds, few words? Huh?
Yes, Mansi.
Oh, Mansi Sharma.
Next.
Okay.
Where are
Which
you
class
from?
you are?
Mansi,
Where
where
are you?
Hello. Science day.
Hello, we can hear you. Where are you from?
Kolkata.
Kolkata? Okay, very
Kolkata
nice.
New Town.
New town. And which school?
Bhavan Gangapaks Kanoria Vidya Mandir.
Okay, nice. And which class?
Class 5.
Class 5. Okay, you have to get in touch with us and get your prize.
Okay.
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 Oh.
And Shreyans Shrestha, can you please unmute yourself, make your video on and tell something? No? Okay. Congratulations, Mansi, Shrestha and Shreyans. Shreyans, can you please unmute yourself? Shreyans.
Yes, sir.
Please tell something about yourself. Which school, which class?
Sir, I am in 4th class. I am in 4th class. I am in 3rd class. I study in KIT International School.
Where?
Bhubaneswar.
Bhubaneswar, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, nice. So, overall, how was your experience of these questions?
Sir, I liked very much.
Okay, thank you. So, friends,
Excuse me, sir. Brahmanand,
yeah,
sir, I would
yes.
like to say something. Actually, sorry to interrupt, like Shrestha is unable to hear anything. Her laptop is creating issue. So she was just seeing the screen and answering. So she could not respond to your question. Like.
Okay, sometimes not hearing also is a big advantage, so that she can only concentrate on the questions and answer the things. Okay. Yeah.
Sir?
Yes.
Sir, next class.
Okay, we'll declare that. So, friends, anybody has to say anything?
Sir, next class. Where?
Okay, that will declare. That we will declare. So, friends, this Shrestha, Mansi, and Shreyans, so please get connected with the Cloverfield School, Brahmanpur. We have a wonderful school there, wonderful campus. You can plan to make a visit to school to see what is happening there, and please be in touch with us and collect your certificate and awards. with that, I thank you, thank all of you very much for a very patient hearing to my babblings. I was going on speaking continuously. So thank you very much once again. And I enjoyed doing the quiz. Yeah. Yes.
मैं हमेशा लास्ट आती हूँ, फर्स्ट कभी नहीं आती। आज मैं पहली बार फोर्थ पोजीशन में आई हूँ।
Okay. So next time तुम 4 से I'm sure you will come to either 1 or 2. Keep trying. Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you everybody.